This video covers Construct 3 versus GDevelop, two popular no-code game engines. Choosing the right one can transform your game development experience by simplifying creation without needing programming skills. Both offer unique tools for different creators. Construct 3 and GDevelop are no-code game engines designed for easy game creation. The core difference lies in Construct 3's polished subscription-based platform with extensive features versus GDevelop's open source, free software with a strong community focus. Construct 3 is a browser-based no-code game engine that allows users to create 2D games visually through drag and drop and event sheets. It works entirely online, offering a streamlined interface and powerful built-in tools such as animation editors, physics, and multiplayer support. Its strengths include a professional-grade workflow, frequent updates, and extensive documentation, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced creators. Construct 3 supports exporting games to multiple platforms like HTML5, Android, and iOS. However, it requires a subscription, which might be limiting for hobbyists or those on a budget. The reliance on an internet connection is another consideration, although offline use is possible with the desktop app. Construct 3 is ideal for developers seeking a robust, polished environment with consistent support and a ready-to-go ecosystem for game publishing. GDevelop is a free, open-source, no-code game engine designed for creating 2D games with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface and event-based logic. It operates both online and offline, providing flexibility for developers. GDevelop's strengths include zero cost, a supportive community, and the ability to export games to HTML5, Android, Windows, macOS, Linux, and more. It offers a wide range of behaviors and extensions, enabling users to create complex game mechanics without coding. While its interface is user-friendly, it may feel less polished compared to Construct 3, and some advanced features require manual setup or community plugins. GDevelop is perfect for indie developers, educators, and hobbyists who want a versatile, budget-friendly platform with freedom to customize and contribute to its development. Construct 3 offers a professional, all-in-one solution with polished tools and consistent updates, best suited for users who want a streamlined experience and are comfortable with a subscription model. It excels in rapid development and has strong platform export options. GDevelop, on the other hand, provides a free, open-source alternative with broad platform support and community-driven features. It's ideal for those who prioritize cost savings and flexibility over a highly polished interface. For example, educators or hobbyists benefit from GDevelop's accessibility, while professionals or studios may prefer Construct 3's stability and advanced features. The trade-off is between budget and polish, with Construct 3 offering a more refined experience and GDevelop delivering greater freedom and no upfront cost. Choose Construct 3 if you want a polished, professional no-code game engine with strong support and are willing to invest in a subscription for advanced features. GDevelop is the best choice for those seeking a free, open-source platform with flexibility and community support. It's perfect for beginners, educators, and indie developers looking to create games without upfront costs. Both engines empower creators, so pick the one that fits your needs best.